Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by matching your sequence to the clip's resolution and frame rate so keying behaves predictably. Import your footage and drop it on video track 1. If you have a clean background plate, put it on track 2 for reference. Open the effects and lumetri panels now because you'll correct exposure before keying. You do this to reduce noise and color variance. Cleaner input makes the key much easier. Once done, make a short color pass to fix extreme highlights and shadows before moving on. Now apply the Ultra Key effect and sample the background with the eyedropper. You want a neutral, even tone for the best matte. Tweak matte generation controls, transparency and tolerance first, to remove most of the background, then refine highlight and shadow so hair and semi-transparent areas survive. Zoom into edges and use matte cleanup settings like choke and soften to tighten the matte without eating fine detail. Finally, use spill suppression to neutralize color cast on subject edges so compositing looks natural. Complete the composite by putting your new background underneath the keyed clip and scale or reposition until perspective and framing feel right. Use lumetri color, curves, and HSL secondary to match color temperature and contrast so the subject reads in the scene. Doing this fixes subtle edge mismatches. If you see flicker or edge popping, render an intermediate, try temporal smoothing in Ultra Key, or reapply a slight pre-blur to the source before keying. That troubleshooting step usually cures noise-related matte instability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.